Welcome to Solution Point. So in this video, we will discuss this question, which is based on algebraic expression. In the first part of the question, we need to solve the equation x plus square root 12 equals x square root 3. And we need to write our answer in form of surds. So let's start. If I just get rid of this x, if I take it to the other side, obviously this equation will become square root 12 x square root 3 minus x. Now if I just take x as common from here, then it will be x times square root 3 minus 1, and this will be square root 12. Now the value of x from here will be square root 12 upon square root 3 minus 1. Now since we need to work out for the value of x from here, since it is mentioned that we need to solve this equation, so what I can do here is I can rationalize this equation. So this is square root 12 upon square root 3 minus 1. Now to rationalize this, I will times this equation, or I would say times this numerator and denominator with the opposite sign of this denominator, and this will be the value of x. Now this root 12 times root 3 will be root 36, which happens to be 6. Root 12 times 1 will be root 12. Similarly, this root 3 times root 3 will be 3. Root 3 times 1 will be root 3. Minus 1 times root 3 will be minus root 3. And this minus 1 times plus 1 will be minus 1. Now the value of x which we will have from here is this will be 6 plus square root 12, and this square root 3 minus square root 3 gets cancelled, and we are left with 2 here. Now I can break this 12 as 4 times 3, and this denominator 2 will remain as it is. Now if I just take this 4 out of the root, then it will be 2 square root 3 upon 2. Now if I just divide this equation by 2, then it will be 3 plus root 3. Now this is the value of the x which we are looking for the first part. Now let's solve the second part of this question. Now in the second part, we need to solve this equation, which is 9 to the power 3x minus 1 equals 3 square root 3. Now the idea for this question is, let's make everything in the same power. For that, I can write this 9 as 3 squared to the power 3x minus 1, and this 3 as it is, and this square root 3 can be written as 3 to the power 1 by 2. If I just solve this, this will be 2 times 3, which will be 6x, and this 2 times 1 will be 2. And on the right hand side, if we apply the law of indices, we have same base, and the things are in product, so we can add these powers. So this will be 1 plus 1 by 2, which happens to be 3 by 2. Now on the left hand side, we have 3 to the power 6x minus 2, and on the right hand side, we have 3 to the power 3 by 2. I can say that we can compare these powers. So this 6x minus 2 must be equals to 3 by 2. If I get rid of this 2, this will be 3 by 2 plus 2. So if you solve this, this will be 7 by 2, which is equals 6x. So if I need to get rid of this 6, so I need to divide 6 on both sides. So the value of x will be 7 by 12. I hope you understand the question. Thank you so much. Keep learning.